To create a wallet on Trust Wallet, start by downloading and installing the Trust Wallet app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and click on Create a New Wallet. You will be presented with the option to either create a new wallet or import an existing one. Choose Create a New Wallet and you will be asked to back up your seed phrase. This is a critical step as your seed phrase is the key to accessing your wallet. Write down your seed phrase and store it in a safe and secure location such as a fireproof safe or a locked box. Next, you will be asked to create a password or PIN to secure your wallet. Choose a strong and unique password that you have not used before. Avoid using easily guessable information such as your name or birth date. After setting up your password, you will be taken to the main dashboard of your wallet. From here you can view your account balance and transaction history. You can also send and receive cryptocurrency by clicking on the Send or Receive buttons. To send cryptocurrency, enter the recipient's address and the amount you want to send. Make sure to double-check the address before sending as transactions are irreversible. To receive cryptocurrency, click on the Receive button and you will be presented with a QR code and an address. You can share this QR code or address with the sender to receive cryptocurrency. It is also important to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. This can be done by going to the Settings menu and selecting two-factor authentication. Finally, make sure to keep your wallet and device up to date with the latest software and security patches. This will help protect your wallet from potential security vulnerabilities. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a secure and functional wallet on Trust Wallet. Always remember to prioritize security and take the necessary precautions to protect your cryptocurrency.